Hey guys, let's get started. Hey guys, welcome to another video today. So today we're going to be looking at another end-to-end workflow that's going to be able to let us take one piece of content and then basically transform it and enrich it to another form of content. And I'll show you guys how that's going to go. But so the piece of content that we're going to take and make a little more robust is these little recipes right here. So you see how we have, we have a picture, we have the bacon cheeseburger, and all that stuff. We basically just want to expand this and make it so that there's a bit more information for each of these. And let me show you what this data looks like in our database. So here you can see this is what they look like. This is very simple, here's some instructions, here's some of the ingredients and difficulty level, all that kind of stuff and the images down here. So this is the workflow that I'm going to be showing you guys. It is called recipe to recipe SEO. So the reason that I want to do this is because if you're going to rank for SEO, you have to have pages that have a bit more information that's going to index nicely. So the whole idea is like we're going to have users who are using our platform who basically make recipe ideas and make recipes. And we want to take each of those recipes and turn them into an SEO page that people can search for and, get, so we can get more users coming into the platform. So when people Google, this specific recipe, then we'll probably have a recipe for that, and then it will take them to our site and to our app. And so here, as you can see, it starts with a webhook, takes it to a basic LLM chain. I'm using Groq because it's the fastest one, and the models are really good. Open source models, so that's really, really fast. Then it goes through this auto fixing output parser, and then it gets sent to Groq again to fix the structured output. And so we can look at some previous executions just to see, what these actually would look like in actual. And I will run through another one where we do a basic generation, and I can show you guys what went through. So, we get the webhook from Pocketbase as we've seen before. Then comes in here. So we have our recipe here that's get pulled in. This is for our bacon cheeseburger. It's going to have all of the different things that are on the bacon cheeseburger. And then you cook the bun until the bacon until crispy, that's the instructions. And it's going to output this as empty because it's not in the right format. And so what this then does is because it's just going to send this as text. And you can see here, it's just taking it in as text, and then it's outputting it here. But the only reason it's output like this is because there's this thing here that takes this text, and then it's like, okay, parse this and turn it into like the actual structured output, which is what we get right here. And I found that if you don't have this output parser, it just is coming back as text, and then you can't really input it into your database. And then this here is the actual uploading of the JSON into our Pocketbase instance. So here we see, all of these pieces of information that gets put in. So I still need to make sure that this is being generated. And we are not getting any of the images currently. And so that's something I still have to fix. But yeah, that's the basic structure of it. It's pretty simple. It's only 3 nodes with these attached on, which are basically part of this. It's like a subnode. Yeah, so let me run this. We're going to sign in. Let's go here. Let's do type item. Okay, let's do rice let's do garlic, and let's do pork right here. Okay. It's going to generate the recipe. So it does it pretty quick because we're using Groq. It does it pretty quick to do this. You know, it's sort of really fast. And then so we can go here, and now we can reload this. And we can say, okay, it's got the garlic pork fried rice, and then now it should have, yeah. So it now generated this new one for us here, and we can actually, you know, it's giving us a bit more stuff like the prep time, the cook time, how many servings it would be, the keywords, you know, author, like what kind of calories you would have, all that kind of stuff. And now we can go to our executions and then see it only took us 3 seconds to get this information out, which is pretty fast. You know, compared to like when you're normally waiting for an LLM, it usually takes a lot longer. So this is really fast because we're using Groq. And then, so we can also go back to our landing page, and I'm actually pulling these recipes here because I want to eventually be able to have a spot where, as part of the app, it's doing SEO, but then this app is like an actual spa app. And so this allows us to get people to our website, but using SEO, which you would not normally be able to do that with a spa because the spa does not have like fully hydrated and like SSR or SSG pages. So being able to do it this way is super nice because then you get best of both worlds. You get the speed of a spa, but you also get the and the interactivity of a spa, but then you also get the SEO advantages. And yeah, so I'm going to keep working on this stuff, and I'll probably talk about it again next week. All right, thank you for watching, and hope you guys can like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, let me know in the comments if there's anything else you'd like to see.